Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing this smoky mermaid eye look. This is my complete look and I really liked how it came out and I really hope you like it too. So let's get started. First I'm gonna apply eye concealer over my eyelid. This is very important because it's gonna make your eyeshadow look good. Then I'm using this pressed powder to set my eye concealer. For this look, I am using Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. Now I am taking this light brown color and applying on my crease area. After that, I am taking dark brown color and placing it in my outer lid and inner corner. Blending it out. Because this is going to be my transition color, so make sure to blend it out nicely. Then I'm using this black color to give my eyes smoky look and placing it inner and outer corner of my eye and blending it again.
As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together. This vision that we share is ours. Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see.
Now using concealer and placing it slowly in the middle of eyelid. And then applying this NYX mermaid green color. This color is so beautiful and so pigmented. I recommend you to buy this. After that, I am again taking a bit of this dark brown color for my crease area to merge these colors together. Now taking a little bit black color and blending with green color for perfect smoky eye look. Now coming to the lower lash line, for that I am mixing dark brown and light brown color. Take your time to blend it nicely. Now taking black color and blending it too. Applying this rose gold color in my brow bone and in tear duct area. Don't forget to use kajal for smoky eye look. Last but not least, mascara, and you are done. I have already applied falsies. So guys, this is my final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.
This vision that we share is ours. Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over